Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Tab. Today we're gonna do a nice and very fresh and summery potato salad. The ingredients that we're gonna use for this recipe is gonna be here. We have 500 grams of boiled potato. We use Yukon potato, 2 spring onions, green olives. You can also use Kalamata olives, a little bit oregano, Artius, always fresh products straight from Greece. We're gonna use parsley, capers, and dill, and we're gonna mix all this with a very nice and fresh vinaigrette. So let's get right into our recipe. We're gonna cut the potatoes. So we don't need them like when you boil them, make sure that you keep a little bit, few minutes before they're completely ready. So they're gonna keep the shape and they're not gonna break down, right? But always they need to be cooked. So you cut the potatoes, nice and square, into the bowl. It's very easy, it's very simple. I really like it with some fish. You can eat it with some smoked salmon or like maybe some chicken. You can have it for lunch. It's very nice, quick, easy, tasty. And I don't like mayo on my salad. Like I think it's too heavy. I prefer something based on olive oil. So I don't like mayo. I prefer something that is based on olive oil, which we're gonna show it. It's gonna be just a plain vinaigrette. So here we have some capers. They're giving a very nice flavor, taste. Classic Mediterranean product. Chop it finely. Yes, that's it. And we go straight in. So we're gonna use some of Artius pitted green olives with herbs. They're very nice, very tasty. You can eat them like raw with some ouzo or chipuro. So we're gonna use around 6, 7 is good. So just like slice them. There we go. So continue with the spring onion. Cut it in half, lengthwise, yes, and the other one a little bit more. So try to cut it as thin as you can, like finely. Yeah, this is, you see, it's perfect. All the nice Mediterranean aroma on the herbs. It feels like you are somewhere like, I don't know, in Italy, Spain. Beautiful. Fresh dill. Always use fresh herbs. They're worth it. Yep. That's it. This goes in, and parsley. Finely chopped. One more time. And parsley goes in. A little bit hand-picked oregano from Mount Aietos, Artius, great product straight from Greece. A little bit pepper. And of course some salt. So, right now we're going to need to make our vinaigrette. It's very simple and easy vinaigrette. I'm going to put a little bit of it here. And we're going straight to our vinaigrette. So guys, everything is in the bowl, and now we're gonna start with our vinaigrette. It's very simple and basic vinaigrette, which is gonna be olive oil, 150 grams of olive oil, 50 grams of vinegar, a little bit lemon zest, Dijon mustard, and wildflower honey from Mount Aietos from Artis Foods Canada. So let's go. We're gonna put everything into the food processor except the oil. So we start with the vinegar. We're going in with the mustard. Okay, perfect. With the lemon zest. Okay, we're good. And one teaspoon of honey. Okay. Now we're gonna start adding the olive oil. Okay, so this is done. Beautiful, nice. So we mix everything. Always mix and check. We don't want it like too much dressing or something. You can keep it on the fridge like it's a basic dressing. You can use it in any other salad. So nicely. I think just a touch. That's it. So this is a very nice and fresh potato salad. So that's it, guys. We're done. And let's see what we did. So this is it, guys. Potato salad with nice fresh herbs, a nice vinaigrette, fresh, light, everything that you need for a lunch summertime for a camping or anywhere you are. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and see you on the next Kitchen Lab.